Baking is a delicate process where precise measurements, timing, and techniques are crucial for achieving consistent and desirable results. Baking is definitely science. The most important thing about this process is following the recipe carefully and using the right amounts of ingredients and following the steps in order. This helps make sure your baked treats turn out yummy and just the way you like them. Molasses Spice Cookies Recipe. Ingredients: 1 cup butter, 1 cup brown sugar, half a cup water, 3/4 cup molasses, 1 teaspoon ground allspice, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon ground cloves, 1 teaspoon ground ginger, 1 teaspoon ground black pepper, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, 1 3/4 cups raisins, 1 3/4 cups dates, pitted and chopped, 2 cups pecans, chopped, 1½ cups chopped candied fruit, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon fresh baking soda, 3 cups all-purpose flour. Instructions. 1. In a saucepan, combine 1 cup butter, 1 cup brown sugar, half a cup water, and 3/4 cup molasses. Add 1 teaspoon each of ground allspice, ground cinnamon, and 1/2 teaspoon of ground cloves, ground ginger, and ground black pepper to the mixture. 2. Place the saucepan over medium heat and bring the mixture to a simmer. Remove from heat and allow it to cool until warm to the touch. 3. Stir in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and transfer the mixture to a mixing bowl. Cover the bowl and let it stand at room temperature for at least 8 hours. 4. After the resting time, stir in 1 3/4 cups of raisins, 1 3/4 cups of chopped and pitted dates, 2 cups of chopped pecans, and 1½ cups of chopped candied fruit. 5. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 3 cups of all-purpose flour. 6. Gradually add the dry mixture to the fruit mixture, stirring until no dry lumps remain. 7. Refrigerate the dough for 3 to 4 hours until it becomes firm. 8. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit 175 degrees Celsius. 9. Form the mixture into golf ball-sized balls. Place onto ungreased baking sheets 1½ inches apart, and flatten with your palm to a 1/4 inch thick. Bake in the preheated oven until the edges are golden, 8 to 10 minutes. Allow the cookies to cool on the baking sheet for 1 minute before removing to a wire rack to cool completely. This recipe makes about 4 dozen cookies.